Hello and welcome to my fifth sprint video. This sprint, I was supposed to get to my key feature, which was the generation of emails sent out to users who have a spot on the watch list. So the idea is that as a spot opens up, the application will automatically draft up an email to send to the user, and the user is supposed to be able to email back to book their spot. So I haven't actually gotten to that yet, and the reason being I've been still working on some items from the last couple sprints. As it turns out, uh, my controller for Spring MVC was not doing what it was supposed to do. I'm going to go ahead and just get right into the code here. So this is the application. When I log in now, it won't actually work. And the reason that is I've been figuring out how to implement everything with the controller in Spring MVC. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of pull it up and show everything that I've been doing. So this is my sign-in page here. I'm going to go ahead and pull up the controller. So essentially, I've had to kind of restructure everything to enhance or to make Spring actually work. The first thing I had to do, I went back to my Spring servlet, the XML page, and so the problem that I was having in my actually is in web XML, this URL pattern is actually would have been tripping me up. So before, this URL pattern was star.htm, which indicated for everything throughout the application that anything with a .jsp extension will be treated or converted automatically to HTML. So with this single slash in URL pattern, what that does is it treats everything as a path. So if you look in here at the Spring Servlet file, this view resolver is what actually takes everything in this web inf JSP directory, and you can see that it has prefix, which is the directory, and suffix .jsp. So what that means is that with my controller, everything, so the @request mapping, that value actually corresponds with a JSP page, and so this whole time I wasn't actually using anything in the controller, and that was why. So I've had to do a lot of cleaning up with this. I first had to move everything into the right directory so that the resolver would actually work, and since then I've been kind of going back and redoing my sign-in because I can't use this validate.jsp file anymore. As you can see, in validate.jsp, we have our prepared statement that authenticates the user. But since I'm using a data access object in Spring, now I have this is valid user, which passes the username and password as arguments, and you can see, let's see here. So this is actually running the prepared statement now, and that's why it doesn't work yet. It's not totally done. But anyway, I'm hoping that over the course of the next sprint, I can kind of wrap everything up. Realistically, I'm not sure if I'll be able to get my key feature completed, but I definitely want to make this look like a real site, something that looks decent. Hopefully, by the next sprint, I can work on my CSS files, some stylized sheets, and make it look pretty. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Thank you.